Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to add FAQ schema to a Divi Accordion module using a simple, no-code plugin solution. You can do this using either the standalone Divi Accordion FAQ schema plugin or the Divi Booster plugin, both of which provide the same functionality. This method automatically generates structured data from the questions and answers already displayed in your Accordion module, ensuring the visible content and schema stay aligned. I'll also cover how to validate the schema once your page is published. Let's get started. To add FAQ schema to a Divi Accordion module without any coding, you can use a built-in FAQ schema option provided by a plugin. This is a simple and straightforward approach that allows you to display your FAQ content just as you normally would on the page, while also automatically generating the correct JSON-LD structured data for search engines and AI tools. However, it's important to note that this method is compatible only with Divi 5. If you're using Divi 4 or an earlier version, it won't work. To install the FAQ schema feature for Divi's Accordion module, you'll need to use either the standalone Divi Accordion FAQ schema plugin or the Divi Booster plugin. Both add the same functionality to your Accordion module, making it easy to generate JSON-LD without needing to write any custom code. If you already use Divi Booster, there's no need to purchase a separate plugin. The feature is included. For more details about Divi Booster, you can check out the accompanying post. To get started with either plugin, download the plugin zip file, then head to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, click on Add New, and then Upload Plugin. Select the zip file, click Install Now, and activate the plugin. Once it's installed, the FAQ schema feature will be added automatically to your Accordion module settings. Now let's add your questions and answers to the Accordion module. Open the module's settings, and for each FAQ item, enter your question in the title field and your answer in the content editor. Repeat this process for all the questions you want to include. This content will be used by the plugin to automatically generate the schema, ensuring that your structured data stays consistent with what's visible on the page. To enable FAQ schema in the Divi Accordion module, open the module settings and go to the Advanced tab. From there, expand the Schema section and set the Enable FAQ Schema option to Yes. This will automatically generate the FAQPage JSON-LD from the questions and answers in your Accordion module. There's no need to manually create or paste the JSON-LD yourself. The feature takes care of it for you. Once you've made your changes to the Accordion module, it's time to save and publish your page. To do this, open the Page action bar, click the drop-down arrow next to the Save button, and select Save and Publish. This will push all your updates live. After publishing your page, it's important to validate the FAQ schema to ensure everything is set up correctly. Start by copying the public URL of your page and testing it using the schema.org schema markup validator. This tool should detect an FAQ page item, with each Accordion entry showing as a question and its corresponding answer. If you prefer, you can also check the page source and look for @type FAQ page. However, using the validator provides a clearer and more reliable verification. If the schema doesn't appear, try clearing any page, plugin, or CDN cache. Ensure your standalone plugin or Divi Booster is active, and confirm that the Enable FAQ Schema option is turned on in the Accordion settings. Lastly, double-check that you're testing the published page and not a preview URL. Now that your Accordion module includes FAQ page schema, you might want to enhance how it behaves for visitors. For example, you can set the Accordion to start with all questions closed for a cleaner layout, or make it possible for users to fully close individual items. You can also enable linking directly to a specific FAQ answer, or ensure that opened Accordion items scroll into view for better usability. For more details on these options, check out the related guides linked in the accompanying post. While adding FAQ schema to your Accordion module can provide a machine-readable description of your FAQ content, it's important to note that Google no longer displays FAQ-rich results in search. This means that adding valid schema does not guarantee improved rankings, enhanced search snippets, or inclusion in AI-generated answers. For the best results, make sure to use FAQ schema only when your Accordion module genuinely serves as a question and answer section, rather than trying to use it to boost non-FAQ content. You've now successfully added FAQPage JSON-LD to a Divi Accordion module without needing to manually create or maintain the schema. Since the markup is automatically generated from your Accordion content, your visible FAQs and structured data will stay aligned as you make updates to the page. If you're looking to further customize your Divi FAQ, whether it's tweaking the layout, behavior, icons, or navigation, or if you're encountering issues with schema validation, feel free to explore additional tips or seek guidance in the comments of the accompanying post.